Hey guys, back your girl Patriana, Sonia here, and who are you?
Remy.
Oh, you're Remy. Hi, Remy. Alright guys, right now we are in the Glenstone Museum in Potomac, Maryland. Yeah, just enjoying a nice day out here in the fall. It's actually in the 60s, so really nice, really pretty to walk around. And I can't wait to show you guys the giant sculptures here. It's really cool. Alrighty. Okay guys, that's a sculpture by Jeff Koons right in front of me. So cute. It's very iconic here to the museum. And off we go. Oh yeah guys, but on the path is safe. It's very safe to walk. So yeah, just really nice day out. And Remy been taking some photos there. Off we go. Hey guys, check out this cool sculpture. It's like out of the movie Inception. Like layers of holes. Really cool. Okay guys, unfortunately we can't take a photo or video inside, but yeah, this is the outside. You can kind of take a look at this really cool architecture. Oh, the building, really cool, very futuristic. And the best part of all, it's free to get in. Alright guys, unfortunately we can't take photos or videos inside the museum because it's privately owned. But yeah, this is what I love about living in the DC metro area. Lots of cool places to go, and most of all it's free. However, due to COVID, it's time entry right now. It's pretty hard to get, but you never know. But feels like I'm in a futuristic movie or something. Really cool architecture. The arts inside are amazing. They have Andy Warhol, Keith Haring, and